Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get electricity without plugging anything in, but it's only work if you have this. You need a USB for this. If you have no USB, then it won't work. So you have to get a USB. Okay. First thing you have to do, you have to put this on your phone. Okay, 1 second. Once I put this on my phone, once you put this on your phone, I'm going to grab my light that I use for. Now plug it in into the USB at the bottom of the charging port where you put the converter in. Next, now grab it. Now you have to turn it on. I have a remote. See? This is how you get infinite electricity. See? See? Wait. Me. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope it'll solve your problem. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget. Okay? Bye!